In this PLR vertical video income stream review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to your own product that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits all for your business. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on almost all of them, and all the offers you'll be getting in the process. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out PLR Vertical Video Income Stream, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, yes, step ahead into the game by acquiring our top quality, superior private label rights package and have an unlimited supply of traffic at your fingertips, just waiting to be converted into sales and profit. So essentially what these guys do is they put out these products that are in different niches. This one's all about vertical video, and you're able to actually take this product and sell it like it is your own. So they say, they create the products, they make them high quality, then they sell them to you guys so that you can actually sell them and make money with them. Now they have some income proof here, like money that they've made selling courses and stuff here. That's fine. That doesn't mean you're going to make that kind of money. But if you're looking to have your own product and you want to have it really inexpensive, then you can definitely pick this up here. Now this is going to give you, it's all about vertical video here. So those vertical video, I guess, on phones and whatnot. It's going to teach people how to do that, how to make money with that. Step Module 1, Premier Training Guide on Vertical Video Income Streams. It's going to have a full training guide here. It's kind of a preview of what that looks like. Like different things like how to get more views on vertical video, things like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all those different things here. Well-designed sales copy. You get a custom customer sales video here. It's a updated doodle style video, engaging whiteboard video, professionally designed graphics, animated banners. You get professionally created expert email templates, professional mini sites to sell with this, legal pages, social media graphics, PDF graphics, all included, everything you need in order to go and to sell this. Now, this is going to be really, really inexpensive. They actually charge like really, really low for these, and you get the PLR rights. Again, that means you can resell this to people and keep all the money. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Attention business owners. Starting an online business that makes you money has become super easy. Gone are the days when you had to learn all the technical stuff to create a sales funnel or set up an online product. Good news is, you are in the right place. We have done it all for you, and it's top-notch. If you have been struggling with creating your content or want to add a new product to your existing product line ASAP, there is no faster way than grabbing this ready-made PLR. And if you're looking for something that will make you money and make you profit each month, our product, Vertical Video Income Stream PLR Bundle, is perfect for you. Introducing Vertical Video Income Stream. This is a completely DIY bus in a box that gives you everything you need to own your online business, ready to make you money quickly. You can sell it under your name and keep 100% of the profits. No skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment. Super newbie friendly. It's an in-demand product in an evergreen niche. Marketers will gladly spend their money on this. Are you looking to utilize the new vertical video format option this year? Vertical video has become a revolution ever since it came in the frame. The short-form video format helped numerous small creators break out and reach a massive audience. Vertical videos have 13.8 times more visibility, and also a study shows that the short videos gain maximum engagement and likes. Every brand is on social media. With an estimated 3.6 billion people using social media worldwide, your target market is already out there. You can expect better earning opportunities soon from the short-form video medium. The great thing about social media is that it's always changing and growing. So whether you've been in the game for years or you're just getting started, there is always more to learn. New trends, engagement tactics, and entire platforms pop up every day. So you can utilize this ever-changing landscape to make money for your business. So if you have not yet adapted your video content strategy for incorporating short-form content in vertical format, then this is the right time to do so. To help you get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, and professionally researched vertical video income stream training course. This course will educate you about how to get started with vertical videos, content strategy, promotion tips, and tricks using short video, growing your channel with vertical video format, monetization methods, understanding analytics, and more. So here is precisely what you're going to get in this. 1. Professionally written training guide. 2. Professional graphics. 3. Animated banners. 4. High converting sales copy. 5. Mini sites. 6. Customer sales video. 7. Legal pages. 8. Social media graphics. 9. PDF graphics with PSD files. 10. Email swipes. 11. Other selling material like mind maps, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a quality product. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this, you can start making money today and continue it for months, because you are providing people with the product they want and need. So get started today. Buy this product, put your name on it, sell and keep 100% of the profit. Remember, this is a value of more than $4,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you with a shortcut to the system and providing you with a high-quality product that you can sell under your name. Do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Act now.
Okay, so we're now in the back-end area. This is where you download everything. You just go in here and you download everything, how you want to get it, when you want to get it. It'll all be waiting for you inside of this members area. Now, there are multiple upgrades here. The first one is you're going to get top converting HD video trainings. With this, you get the video versions of this here. So if you want to get those videos, be able to have even like an upsell that you can put into sales funnel, then you can get this one here and get all those different video training modules. It's going to give you professional upsell mini sites, doodle style upsell videos for this, upsell follow-up emails, professional sales copy, everything all included there. Again, for a one-time price. Now, if you say no to this, they're going to offer you everything here for just $30. So they're going to take a big like price cut on that. So give me a like for showing that to you. That's going to save you some money there. Next one here, it's going to give you a top quality superior private label package. It's going to give you another, it looks like Google My Business. So this is something that you can add into a sales funnel for this one. Another one here is they've got hot selling in the Google My Business niche. This might be a downsell for it. I'm a little confused on it, but again, it's another, this all looks like the videos for it. This is the video course for that one. If you say no to that, you get the $30 downsell for that. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about PLR vertical video income stream? And what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about this, if you're not looking for a product to sell, this isn't something that you're interested in doing, then this isn't the right product for you, and that's okay. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a product to sell, you want to have something that you can put your name on and you can use as like a lead magnet or something to sell, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to take a look at PLR Vertical Video Income Stream, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.